To find the probability that I pick a point at random on this number line, I first need to know how long the number line is. So they've asked me to look at the points between P and Q. So I can see that my number line goes a little bit longer. I'm going to draw in sort of the end points of that. So P and Q is what I'm looking at. Now you want to make sure you count spaces, and I don't care if the number line goes by ones like it does in this case, or twos or fives. Just count spaces. It doesn't matter what the number line goes by. So counting spaces between P and Q, let's just get that total number first. I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 spaces between P and Q. So that number is actually going to be the denominator. Think of that as our total area. If you had watched the video on geometric probabilities, you know we put the total area on the bottom. So it's not really area this time, but it's our total. So there's 10 segments that we could stop on. Your numerator then is going to be the length of the segment given to you. So for example, the probability that we stop on segment RS, let's count the spaces between R and S. Count spaces, don't count actual points. So between R and S, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. So I have a 6 out of 10 chance that I'll stop on segment RS. Well, they've asked us to write our answer as a fraction, which we've done, although we have not simplified it, and a decimal and a percentage. So they want 3 answers for each of these questions. So first thing, go ahead and simplify your fraction. 6/10 simplifies to 3/5, so there's my probability expressed as a fraction. If I divide that, I get 0.6. That's my probability expressed as a decimal. And then if I multiply that by 100, as we did in the geometric probability, 60% is my probability expressed as a percentage. So why don't you go pause the video and go ahead and count up those spaces real quick for those next 2 examples. Otherwise, let the video play through and I'll show you what I got as answers. So there you go. Hopefully your answers matched up to mine, so make sure you counted carefully. PT was 4 units long, SQ was 1 unit long, and PQ was 10 units long. So notice for segment PQ, since I want the probability that I stop on PQ between points P and Q, like it's going to happen. Anything between there is going to be picked. So that's why my percentage was 100%. It was the length of the entire thing. And notice for my fraction for that one, 1/1 is what I could do if I wanted to see the fraction, or we'd probably just write 1 for that problem. And then don't forget on PT, hopefully you simplified your answer to get 2/5.